Hello everyone and welcome back to the Jantek Industries product demonstration series. My name is Kellen and today we're going to be taking a look at the Jantek Industries EnergyMiser Awning Window and what goes into the window and how it functions. Jantek's EnergyMiser Awning windows have superior energy ratings that include an R5 insulation value and a U factor of 0.19. Let's take a look at what goes into them in order to achieve these ratings. First, the awning windows have a multi-chamber frames. This increases strength and stability. Unlike mechanically fastened windows, both the frames and the sashes are fusion welded. This creates an airtight, watertight seal that gives the window superior strength and increases its energy efficiency. All of the EnergyMiser awning windows have triple pane soft coat low E glass, which significantly increases the insulation value. All of the EnergyMiser awning windows have heavy-duty multi-point locking systems and a durable center crank mechanism for opening and closing your window. All the EnergyMiser awning windows have triple bulb seals for airtight seal, and all of them include an aluminum frame poly mesh screen. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our Jantek Industries EnergyMiser Awning Window. To learn more about what Jantek offers or to get a quote on windows or patio doors, please visit our website, jantekwindows.com, or click the link in the description.